Waking up in the middle of the night is the worst. Okay, let's talk about how to fix it. It's this weird paradox, right? The more you stress about sleeping, the less you actually will. That's because trying too hard actually pumps up your stress hormone, cortisol. So yeah, it's basically your body's alarm system. The key is not to set it off. Okay, section 1. Let's start with a few simple tricks you can do right from your bed. So get this, cold feet can actually block your sleep hormone. Crazy, right? Here's a great one. Controlled nose breathing. It's super calming for your whole nervous system. You're probably holding tension and don't even know it. A quick mental scan helps you find it. So you see, these little things tell your body it's safe. Next up, your nightly fuel. Okay, section 2. Let's talk about what's going on inside your body that's waking you up. This might sound weird, but a tiny pinch of sea salts can stop those midnight adrenaline spikes. And your diet plays a huge role. A high-carb dinner can cause a blood sugar crash that jolts you awake. And try to wrap up dinner by 5 p.m. Eating late, especially protein, is just too stimulating. Getting your internal chemistry right is huge. Now, let's get your mind in the game. All right, section 3. This is all about the mental game, the habits that help or hurt your sleep. What you watch before bed really matters. Ditch the action flicks for something, super boring. And whatever you do, stop watching the clock. It just gives your brain a new problem to solve. You actually set your body clock in the morning, so get some sun. It pays off at night. See, these are simple habits that train your brain. So what's the big takeaway here? It all comes down to this. Have a carefree attitude. Don't force sleep, just let it happen. Seriously, the more you stress about it, the harder it's going to be. Just let go of the pressure. So, what's the one thing you're going to try tonight? Think about what feels easiest for you.